Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Dost, my dear friends. I'm back again with another job notification for all of you, and this time the notification is coming from United India Insurance Company Limited, UIIC. So they are recruiting young and dynamic candidates for their offices all over the India. So they are inviting eligible candidates. Legal vacancies are 25, account 24, CS 3, actuaries 3, doctor 20, and engineers are 22 vacancies in civil, automobile, mechanical, electrical, electronics, EC, CS, IT. Okay. And then agriculture specialist is 3. So total are 100. Now, let's see what other details they have given. Eligibility condition: you must be a citizen of India, Nepal or Bhutan, a Tibetan refugee, or somebody who has migrated from Pakistan, Burma, Sri Lanka, East African countries. Okay. Educational qualification: let's go to the engineer section. What is the education qualification for engineer? BTech in civil, automobile, mechanical, triple EC, CS, IT with 60% marks, and for SC ST category it is 55% marks. Okay. Now qualification should be obtained from any recognized university duly approved by UGC or AICTE. Okay. Other things being equal, preference will be given to candidate having post qualification experience. Now if everything is matching between two candidates, somebody who has a previous experience will be given a preference. You must have completed the qualification, that is you must have completed your graduation by 31st of March 2023. Okay. Working knowledge of computer is a must. Age relaxation for SC ST 5 year, for OBC 4 year, PWBD is 10 years. Okay. Now definitions they have given: ex-servicemen, all these kind of definition of PWBD. Okay, they have given that in detail. So if you have any sort of a disability, then you must go through these definitions. Then only this section is relevant for you, so that you can check whether or not you can claim this reservation. Reservation for EWS they have given. Even somebody from a weak financial background should go through this to check whether or not you will fall under EWS. All applicants other than SC, ST, PWBD, you have a application fees of 1000 rupees plus GST as applicable, and there is no refund possible. Okay. Important dates is online registration has started from 24th August. Last date is 14th of September. Payment of fees is 14th of September. And call letters you can download for the online exam 7 days prior to the online test. Application procedure, beta, you have to visit their website, you have to register, then you have to pay the fees, and you have to upload the signature and your photograph. Selection will be based on the online examination and interview. The test will be comprising of reasoning, English language, quantitative aptitude, basic computer, then general awareness, and a test to assess the technical and professional knowledge in your relevant discipline. That will be of 50 question, 50 marks. That is for your engineering. Okay. And other than that, 100 marks will be based on, I think there is some mismatch here, because this total is coming out to be 150 and they are showing 200. I think the technical will be of 100 marks rather than 50 marks. All the question will be of objective choices. One will be the correct answer. You have to select the correct answer by clicking on the mouse. Okay. Penalty will be there for wrong answers. That is, there will be negative marking of 1 by 4. Whatever is the weightage, 1 mark or 2 mark, you will get minus 1 by 4. The sources of online exam scores will be obtained by number of question answered. Okay. For arriving at corrected score, basically they'll subtract the negative marking, positive marking minus negative marking. Test-wise scores, and the score on total is reported up to 2 decimal places. Basically, each section score and the total score. Okay, they have given guidelines for PWBD. Examination center, beta. It will be held at only specific centers in India. You will have to choose the centers that they have mentioned in the annexure 2. Downloading the call letter, you have to visit their website and download the call letter 7 days prior to the examination. The intimation for downloading the call letter will also be sent to you via email or SMS. Okay. Reporting at examination center, you have to report the examination center before the reporting time. Okay. And you have to carry your call letter. Identity verification, you must carry a ID proof. Interview. If you qualify the written examination, you will be called up to interview up to 3 times the vacancies. So in engineers, there are 22 vacancies, so they'll call 66 candidates. Outstation candidate will be reimbursed to and fro second class rail fare. So if you are traveling to their interview center, your travel allowance will be provided up to the second class rail fare. Okay. You have to submit the attested copies of certificates, age, date of birth, educational qualification, community certificate. Okay. Your biometric verification they will conduct, and other important points also they have given, which you must make sure that you go through before applying for this. And if you are unfair during the examination, you are found cheating, then they will basically cancel your registration. So selected candidates, if they are medically fit, you will go on a probation period of 1 year. Directly you will not be finalized for 1 year, you will be on probation. And during the probation period, if your conduct is not good, if your performance is not good, they can terminate your employment. Guarantee bond is a period of minimum 5 years, including the probation period, 1 year probation and 4 years job. Okay. In event of resigning before the expiry of bond period, you will be liable to pay liquidated damages of 1 year gross salary. 1 year salary you will have to pay to the company if you break the probation period. Also, you will have to submit a stamped bond duly executed by 2 sureties of sound financial standing, an amount equivalent to 1 year gross salary in addition to an amount of 35,000. Okay. So you have to pay them 1 year salary plus 35,000 for the loss of the training. The pay scale will be 50,925 minus 2,500 up to 85,925, and other allowances like gratuity, LTS, medical benefit, group personal insurance, performance linked incentive, all these. So service condition and other rules also they have given. You must go through these general rules. This is a very detailed notification, beta. Make sure that you take out time and go through everything that is mentioned here. And after this, they have given the application procedure, application registration, payment of fees, and document scanning and uploading. So they have given the dimension of the photograph. Okay. Signature in capital letter will not be accepted. Text for handwritten declaration. Okay. So all these annexures are very, very important, bacho, because you have to follow the prescribed format. If you do not follow it, if there is a mistake, they can cancel your application and your fees also will not be refunded. And since the fees of the application is high, make sure that you do not commit any silly mistake while applying, because then you will be at a loss. So that's it from my side. Go to their official website. We'll mention that in the description of this video, and apply if you are eligible, if you are interested. That's it from my side. And if you are an aspirant preparing for GATE 24 or 25, you can become a part of Exam Dose. We are offering a 30% flat discount on our Lakshya June batch. You just have to visit our app or website and then use the code ED30 to get 30% discount. Okay. Beside that, we also have a power system comprehensive course coming up, where you can get a standalone power system course at 20% discount, but there you have to use the code PS20. We also have a test series where you can get 10% discount using the code Ankit ESE. Okay. So 3 different products, 3 different discounts, 3 different codes. Okay. So if you have any query, you can message on our WhatsApp number 70890 47561. We'll be happy to answer all your queries. If you wish to get in touch with me, there also you can message. And if you have any queries related to this notification, post that in the comment section. I'll be happy to reply. Thank you everybody and all the best.